What I wanted to show you additionally is how to work if you have your collection and your environment saved in a Git repository. And for that matter, I created here a Git repository which contains a Postman collection and this environment. And we're gonna go over on how to configure them in Jenkins. And it's gonna be pretty easy, I promise. So I'm gonna use the exact same job that we have used so far. I'm gonna go to configure. And meanwhile, let me just grab the address of this repository. We'll find links as always in the description, so make sure you check that out. And then in the job configuration, I will go to source code management. I will select Git. I'll paste the Git address here. And this will check the master. And now instead of running this remote collection, it's gonna remove that quickly. So everything will stay exactly the same, but I'll replace it with the local file. So once Jenkins checks out this Git repository, all the files in the Git repository will be available here. And they are on the first level, so this is why I can directly reference them. And I'm gonna do it like this, again between double quotes. But in case you have any folders or something like that, like tests, then just do test / and then postman blah blah blah. So this is the way it goes. The same goes with the environment. Always copy and paste so that you do not make any errors while typing. So we're running this collection, this local collection with this environment. The reporters and everything will stay the same. So all I have to do is click the save button and rerun this collection to make sure that it works. Now the job completed successfully. We can have a look at the console to make sure that everything worked as we expected. You will see here that Jenkins cloned this repository, had access to everything, and then Newman executed with the exact same command as you see here. Everything worked out perfectly and the job is green.